Hello everyone, and welcome back to Your Values. Hope you're well. Today is a video on the third point I spoke about last time, which is the capacity of wonder, to be amazed and fascinated by things. When I was depressed and I had addictions, I started doing once a week, forcing myself to be amazed and shocked by everything. Oh my God, a candle. Oh my God, the sky is so beautiful. Oh my God, a vase. And then in fact, I was really in a great mood. And I started to redirect force myself to like normal activities I used to like before, like walking, going for a walk, speaking to people. In the beginning, I didn't like it, but then I started loving it again. When you start loving these things, you detach from your negative addictions and negative mindset. And I think that this capacity of wonder is common to all. I mean, no matter what you think, if you think the earth is flat or the earth is round, I mean, what's it going to change when you know it? You're still going to be on earth, going to have to go to work and do your life. But what is important to do is to notice the small things of life. Take time and get this habit to take time to see those plants, the beautiful colors they have, see them grow every day. Look at the colors of the fruits when you go to the market, see the birds flying in the sky, the wind blowing on your skin, the flames in the chimney moving, the rain falling, and even with some music, you can put some music and life becomes magical when you were a child again. This is what is fascinating. And I think that, even things that are normal to you, you have a roof, you have food, you have maybe your partner, just take time to realize, to be grateful. I have a roof, I have beautiful food, I have everything. And this is really important. This, you will see life is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful again. And I just wanted to share with you also that I have a personality quiz that is now available today or tomorrow. It will be available on my website, as well as a 30-minute trial session with me that you can speak, ask all of your questions, even share things with me, and we can find solutions together. And so soon it will be available, and the next video is going to be some exercises together, so I can't wait to share that with you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. In the meantime, I wish you a beautiful day and see you soon on Your Values.